Good morning. So today we will be talking about discount series. So bakit ba nagkakaroon ng discount series? A distributor or manufacturer may give a trade discount that has two or more discounts, called a series of discount or a discount series. Okay? So again, with the same purpose, syempre para makahikayat din po ng mas maraming mamimili. So in a discount series, the first discount is based on the list price. Okay? Then the second discount is based on the remainder after deducting the first discount. And the third discount is based on the remainder after deducting the second discount. So this process described here makes use of the discount method. Okay, kumbaga, tuloy-tuloy yung ating pag-multiply. So, pag minultiply yung rate sa atin pong list, we get the discount, then subtract it from the list price. Then, yung kasunod, we multiply the result to the next given rate. Then, kung ano man ang maging resulta doon, subtract ulit dun sa naunang result. So, tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Okay? But, if we apply the complement method that we have discussed earlier, medyo mas magiging madali. Bakit? Kasi on the complement method, all you have to do is to multiply the list price by its complement. List price times the complement. Okay? Complementary rate. Okay? Then, yung sagot dito, diba? I-multiply ulit natin sa complementary rate na pangalawa. Then, yung sagot ulit sa tatlong ito, i-multiply ulit sa complementary rate ng pangatlo. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, if we apply the properties of real numbers, kahit pa magkagulo-gulo yung posisyon ng mga yan o alin man ang unahin mong i-multiply, you will still arrive on the same answer. Okay? So, pwedeng tanggalin na natin yung mga grouping symbols na yon and just multiply the list price by the complement of the other rates na given sa problem. Okay? So, kaya po on our slide, the given formula is 1 minus D sub 1 is the first discount rate times 1 minus the second discount rate. Then, tuloy-tuloy lang yon kung ilan man pong rates ang binigay. Okay, so let us have our first example. A wholesale shop lists a shirt for 650 pesos each. Martinez Fashion Boutique qualifies for the series of discounts 15%, 10%, and 5%. What is the net price? So again, yung ating net price po will be equal to the list price times yung atin pong complementary rate. So, ang complementary rate natin is 1 minus yung una nating discount rate times 1 minus our pangalawang discount rate and so on. Na po kung meron man pong kasunod pa. So, let us substitute the values. Ang given natin dito, 650 pesos ang kanyang list price. So, lagay natin 650 pesos. Then, ang una dyan ay 15%. So, the complement for 15%, 100% minus 15 is 85. So, in decimal form, we have 0.85. Next, we have 10%. Its complement will be 90%. Or in decimal form, we have 0. Walang 0 doon. So, 0.9. Okay? And for the last complementary rate, kung 5% ang nakalagay doon, our complementary rate is 0.95. Okay, so get your calculators and multiply the following numbers. So our answer will be, sulat na lang natin, 472. Let us round it off to the nearest hundredths. So it's 38. Ang kasunod niya is 7, so magiging 39. Okay, so unit will be in pesos. Ayan, so this will be our net price. Next, for our second example, Plato Marketing sells a particular kind of plate with a list price of 200 pesos. Giox Fast Food qualifies for the series of discounts 25%, 20%, and 10%. Compute for the net price. So for this one, again, same formula or same process. We get the list price, multiply it by the complementary rates. Again, the complementary rates can be computed by the subtracting the given rates from 100%, or kung in decimal form na siya, they subtract it from 1. Okay, so substituting our values, the list price is 200 pesos. Then the first discount is 25%, so its complementary rate is 0.75. We have 20%, so its complementary rate is 0.8. And we have here 10%, so complementary rate ay 90% or 0.9. Okay, so getting our calculators, multiply again, our answer will be, if you got 108, then you are correct. Okay, so this is our net price. Okay, so for your exercises, you have 5 items taken from your books. So kindly answer the items and it will be checked on our next meeting.